Hi, I'm Hillary Hess with Helping of Happiness. We're going to show you today how to make our Berry Banana Fruit Parfaits. They're super yummy. They're a great after-school snack. I really like them for when we're having a party too, because you can throw on whatever fruit the different kids want or the different adults. And my kids love those wafer things that go in the top, you know, that are like the little tube with the filled chocolate inside or white chocolate. Also, these are really fun because you can serve them in all different kinds of containers. So you could do it in a jar if you want to see the layers, or like a fun fancy cup, or even just a little ramekin bowl, or just a regular plastic bowl if you want to. So let's get making these parfaits. So I want to hear in the comments, tell me, what do you like putting on your parfait? What kind of fruit was your favorite? Or you have a different flavor of yogurt that you like putting in your parfait? Let me know. And are you serving it at a party? Are you just making it at home for a snack? Tell me all of those things in the comments. Make sure that you give us a subscribe so that you don't miss one of our other fun videos. And give us a little like if you enjoy this video.